Hello, my name is Eric, founder of TaskSift. I'd like to show you how TaskSift makes you more productive with Google Sheets and GitHub. Let's start by breaking down this customer feedback. The first difficulty is that tickets often contain multiple topics. This makes it impossible to deal with a ticket in one fell swoop. The next difficulty is that multiple tickets can address the same topic. TaskSift solves these two problems for you. Let me show you how. This Google Sheet channel contains posts with customer feedback. Let's look at this row. Notice that it discusses 3 different topics. The next row discusses just one of the previous topics, and this row discusses 2 topics. I think it's clear that this data exhibits exactly the difficulties I just talked about. Let's switch to TaskSift. Let me quickly turn these rows into user stories. Alright, that looks nice. Let's now publish one of the user stories to GitHub. The user story is now ready to be picked up by your designers and developers. Your team can open this link if they are looking for background information. The context page provides links to all the tickets on which this GitHub issue is based. Let's move on and close this ticket. The follow screen is our next stop. A lot is happening here, so let's break it down. The flight path shows how this GitHub issue came to be. The status of the source tickets is displayed here. Notice how TaskSift is super helpful here in telling you to cross-check the status of related stories. If you like to inform your customers personally, you can jump into Google Sheets with this link. This wraps it up. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check out TaskSift.com.